Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the OPPO Enco X True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earphones. You can see what this particular earphones are going to look like. These are your half-in-ear design earphones. Let's quickly take a look whether we have any more information here. Here we have some information. It says that it's up to 25-hour battery life, triple microphone call noise cancellation, IP54 dust and water resistance, wireless charging, hybrid active noise cancellation, DBEE 3.0 sound system, magnetic balance membrane driver for rich audio detail, binaural low latency Bluetooth transmission, built-in cross media antennas, transparency mode, less noise blocking for more awareness. That's more or less all the information on this box. Let's just open it and see what's inside. The secondary box here with more or less the same information at the back, there you can see. And there we are. This is what it looks like inside. We have a quick start guide for the OPPO Enco X, which you should read at least once. It tells you how to pair this device. And this is a safety guide for the same. So these are the components of this box. Let's see what's in this particular box first. This seems to be the charging cable for this particular sound audio device. Yes, this is a USB-C type charging cable for this particular sound device, for this particular earphones. There you can see. We also have, I'm not going to take them out, these are basically extra silicone tips. These are the small and large variant as written over here. There's a small one and there's the large ones. And this is the charging case for the OPPO Enco X. I'm going to show this to you. There you can see it's this small, it has this compact form factor, but has this piano black finish as well, which also has a glossy black finish. It's co-created with Dynaudio, written right over here. And you have a button on the side, I don't know what for. This is an LED indicator over here and a Type-C charging port underneath. Let's open this and see what's here. The moment I open this particular lights start to glow green. This basically means that we have now entered pairing mode. Let's take a look at the earphones themselves. So these are the earphones. This also sports a piano black finish, as you can see, and it also has angular nozzles. These tips are the medium-sized tips. The others are the large and the small size are in the box, as you've seen earlier. And these are your half-in-ear design earphones. This is what you find inside the box containing the OPPO Enco X True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earphones.